Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Smart glasses have come a long way, and Ray-Ban's partnership with Meta has been creating quite a buzz in the wearable tech space. If you've been keeping up with tech trends, you might have already heard about these stylish yet functional glasses. But what if I told you that the next generation of Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses could be only a few months away? That's right, we're talking about the potential for a groundbreaking third-gen model that might change the game for smart eyewear as we know it. What's new with Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses? When you first hear about Ray-Ban Meta glasses, they might seem like an accessory straight out of a sci-fi movie. These glasses look just like your average stylish shades, but they're packed with some seriously impressive features. You can take calls, listen to music, snap photos, record videos, and even access a voice assistant all from your face. It's like having a tiny, yet powerful tech hub sitting right there on your nose, without screaming tech geek. But the big news? Meta is reportedly pushing the boundaries even further with their upcoming third generation of Ray-Ban smart glasses, and it's poised to be a major leap forward in terms of functionality. According to tech insider Mark Gurman, Meta plans to release this upgraded version as early as October, and trust me, it's got some features that will make the current generation look like a stepping stone. What's coming in the next version? Let's start with the most anticipated addition, a built-in display. That's right. Imagine being able to see your photos or videos instantly on your glasses without pulling out your phone. Meta's third-gen Ray-Ban glasses will feature a subtle, yet functional screen, allowing users to check out their media right from their eyewear, which is a game-changer for anyone who's always on the go. But that's just the beginning. The new version will also support app integration, turning these glasses into a more comprehensive smart wearable. Meta is aiming to create a device that's not just about showing you content, but about giving you a complete, hands-free experience. You'll be able to access various apps and services directly from your glasses, turning your daily routine into something that feels more connected and futuristic. With all of this tech packed into a sleek frame, there's one crucial question. How much will these smart glasses cost? Well, if the rumors are true, we're looking at a hefty price tag of around $1,000 or more for the third-gen model. While that's a significant investment, the value lies in the seamless experience these glasses could offer. If you've ever wished for a more advanced wearable device that goes beyond basic fitness tracking or notification alerts, then this might just be your chance to own something revolutionary. The current Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Let's take a moment to reflect on how far we've come with the current Ray-Ban Meta glasses. While they don't have a display like the upcoming models, they're still incredibly functional. These glasses allow you to take calls, listen to music, and even capture photos and videos with a simple tap of the frame. The voice assistant feature is pretty impressive too, enabling you to interact with your device without having to take out your phone. Plus, the built-in technology doesn't overwhelm the design. They look like regular sunglasses, which is something that many other smart glasses have struggled with in the past. The current iteration also brings some useful AI capabilities, like live translation during conversations. Imagine traveling abroad and having a real-time translator right on your face. That's the kind of convenience these glasses offer. Meta's smart eyewear is quickly becoming one of the few devices that blend fashion with tech seamlessly. Why is Meta making these moves? One thing that stands out about Meta's approach to smart glasses is their commitment to keeping things subtle. While companies like Google and Snapchat have released their own smart glasses, they've often been bulky and overly techy, turning heads for all the wrong reasons. Ray-Ban, with its long-standing reputation for stylish eyewear, has managed to create a product that doesn't scream technology. It looks like regular glasses with some cool hidden capabilities. This could be one of the reasons why Meta's glasses have gained such popularity in the wearable tech space. But the real question is, why hasn't Apple jumped on the smart glasses bandwagon yet? Given Apple's obsession with blending fashion and tech, it's curious that they've yet to release a competing product. However, rumors are swirling that Apple is indeed working on their own AR glasses, which could potentially rival Meta's smart eyewear in the near future. If Apple does enter the market, it will only heat up the competition and push both companies to innovate even further. What's next for smart glasses? With the third generation of Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, we are entering an exciting new era for wearable technology. The combination of app integration, live translations, display screens, and hands-free functionality could make these glasses indispensable in our daily lives. Plus, with the inclusion of a sleek and subtle design, these glasses could appeal to tech enthusiasts and fashion-conscious individuals alike. If the rumors are true, Meta is going all in on creating a product that's both functional and fashionable. However, it's important to note that the release date could shift, as sometimes happens with new tech launches. Meta's ambitious timeline for an October release might face delays, but given the progress they've made so far, we can expect some exciting developments in the coming months. In the end, whether you're a tech lover, a fashion enthusiast, or just someone looking for the next big thing in wearable technology, the new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses could be the perfect product to watch. With major tech companies like Meta and Apple vying for dominance in the smart glasses market, we're bound to see even more innovation soon.